Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to enter here the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button. Let's swipe down to switch off the phone. And now you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as OPPO logo pops up on the screen. And that's it. Here let's navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key, or you can simply tap on the screen. So let me choose here English, and here you can install the update from storage. You can try to online update, you can use wipe data to accomplish the hard reset, or you can also wipe data but keep text messages, contacts and photos. Let me go back. You can also here use check disk or use version 1.2. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose reboot or power off. In my case, let me choose reboot, tab OK to confirm it, and the device right now is restarting and rebooting. Excellent, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the phone and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.